Hello everyone. So as we are waiting for next 2-3 days to officially start from this Saturday onwards, I thought let's make use of this time by exploring some of our mission content and seeing all the beautiful work that the mission had done. So what happened today in the late evening? One of the Preceptor brothers sent me a message. Do you have the cleaning video in English for new seekers? And I was a little surprised. I said it is there in the Heartfulness channel YouTube, but apparently he had not visited and he was not aware of it. So I realized this could be a problem with some of us, many of us, and it's great. It is great to know, where all our wonderful mission content is. So one great resource is the YouTube channel, and I thought I'll just quickly make one impromptu video using the DU recorder to do something that can keep us occupied next 2-3 days. So here I will go to the YouTube channel and we are gonna look for Heartfulness channel, Heartfulness meditation you can type, or Heartfulness channel you can type, and you will go to Heartfulness channel. And you see this yellow color icon, yellow white icon, that is the Heartfulness channel. This subscribe button, you see it is asking me, do you want to unsubscribe? Because I already subscribed. It is asking me, do you want to unsubscribe? I'll say cancel because I want to remain subscribed. But if the thing is red over there, then you have to press subscribe and get yourself subscribed. Then once you enter this channel, now there are different sections which I want to introduce. Many of us just come here and just scroll like this. We see something and we go away. But you see, in a YouTube channel, most of the channels are very well placed, and you should see how to use it, and you should know how to look at all the content. See, everything that you see here is a section. This heartfulness practice, guided meditation, relaxation techniques, heartful life. So these, you consider these like bookshelves. They are bookshelves, and all these videos are like books put in that shelf. So in a YouTube channel, normally you can have 10 such shelves, and the channel decides which are the shelves it want to maintain, and you can go there and have a look at the shelves. So if you want to do a quick look, so these are 10 shelves or 10 sections of the YouTube channel of Heartfulness, and you can go there and see. So it's one shelf called Heartfulness Practice, and you can see all the videos related to practice over there. Another place where you can see everything, how everything is categorized, is in this playlist. I just press this playlist here. You see this blip when I'm pressing. Yeah, that's the playlist. So all the beautiful work, video work is there in terms of these buckets. So this is a bucket called Life of Babuji. How many of us know that Life of Babuji is movie series is available here? Look at this. See, beautiful. Then suppose if you want something on some Daji's Pearls of Wisdom on spirituality. See, you just have to type that, and everything that the mission wants us to see and use, it's there over here. We keep hunting here and there, but we don't see it in the right place. Okay. If you want something on the heartfulness practice, just come here, heartfulness practice. See, like this, everything is there. So like this, all these are called, this is called a playlist. It is like a bucket of topics. You just press the topic and you'll get to see that particular videos are there. In the video section here, these are all the videos that the mission has published, and you can sort this out. So this word sort by is there. I'm going to press that. It will blink. See, it is started. If you want to see which is the most popular video which is trending, then you just press this, and the most popular video will come up. 7.2 lakh views. Wow. 5.5 lakh views. So based on a number of views, you can see which is the most popular video. So if you're sending it to someone new, and if people judge videos by their popularity, then you can use these videos like this. You can start with this. If you want to see which is the newest video, then you check newest, and then the newest video. Yesterday's Truth Eternal has come. So like this is the video section, and you can use this sorting button to see all the videos. Another section that I want to discuss is this community section. This community section, like a small blog on YouTube. Everybody, all channel that crosses 1 lakh membership can have this sort of a blog, and you can read this blog. You can go and like it, And then if you want to comment, you see the small little square here which you can press, and you can give your comments on the blog. Okay, and whatever you want to write, you can write over here like this. You can write whatever, and encourage the blog. It is very good. You can write, okay, and give some comments, but read it. I mean, for the sake of the video, I'm not reading, but we must always read, appreciate, and then comment. Then this is channels. Now, channels means all the channels of Heartfulness and our mission is all over here. We keep looking, where is the Hindi channel, where is the Telugu channel. It's all here in one place. Just come to the main Heartfulness channel and you'll find everything. All the channels are there. You know, uh, Kannada, Gujarati, Hindi, we saw, Telugu, Tamil, everything is here. Heartfulness, Marathi, you'll have the lovely Heartfulness Glow channel, Pearl channel, everything is all here, you know. And if you want to subscribe, just go there and press the subscribe button and you'll subscribe. Okay. So I have not subscribed to Hindi. I will subscribe to Hindi, and I will also, so 3 channels I subscribed. Heartfulness Glow, Heartfulness Pearl, and Heartfulness Hindi. I had also not subscribed. I had just subscribed. Now you go to this about. This about page talks about what this heartfulness is, what the heartfulness movement is, what this channel is all about, what is the intention. You have a social media address here. Uh, you know, if you want to talk about social media, or you want to give them some advice, or you want to learn from them, you need help, you can write to them here. And see, these are all the social media handles of the mission. If you press this, you'll go to the website. If you press this, you'll go to the Facebook. If you press this, you'll go to the Twitter. So all these things we should know. Okay. So next 2-3 days, those who have the time, please explore this channel completely and go through all these tabs, all these wonderful resources, and start familiarizing yourself and see how it works. Okay. So yes, it has come. I just pressed one link and I am seeing whether it is redirecting. Let us see. Yes, see, it has come to the Heartfulness ORG channel. Okay. So from there, you can, if you want one place, where you know all the most of the missions, digital assets, then this is the place. So next 2-3 days, please familiarize yourself with this, because to popularize Heartfulness, we have to use Heartfulness content, and we should know where this content is available and how to look for it. So all these tabs, please go ahead and use. And thank you. So make use of the next 2-3 days, familiarize with the content. See you soon on Saturday when we formally start. Thank you so much.